Vechain is one of the few coins that I believe is going to give us more than a 10x in this bull market. And on today's video, I will be discussing my long-term price prediction analysis and above all discuss a chart pattern that is information here on the 1 hour chart, which is a bull flag that is likely to give us a massive breakout in the next coming hours. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video here on the daily chart by first discussing my long-term price prediction analysis, where you can see that last year we got our bear market lows and started a very aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high this year above the 0.05525, completing what I now term as an Elliot count 1. And after we picked in that Elliot count 1, I was expecting a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliot count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using these blue target area, an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, pulling the fibs from the bear market lows to the high of that Elliot count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for that Elliot count 2. And in the next coming weeks or maybe months, we are going to start a very aggressive bounce to the upside in what I will be terming as an impulsive Elliot count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliot count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for that Elliot count 3 above the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.08651. Then we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliot count 4 before we can continue gearing up even higher in an Elliot count 5 in a move that can easily give us more than a 10x to the upside. So that is all I'm expecting on that is my long-term price prediction analysis on the Vechain chart. And to also confirm to you that we have started to see a change of structure here on the charts. On the daily chart, you can see that we have seen a break to the upper side of this descending trend line, which is an indication that we have started to see that change of market structure. And in the next coming days, all we need to see is a break above key areas of resistances and a break above significant highs for us to get that impulsive Elliot count 3. Jumping to the 1 hour chart to now discuss the bull flag pattern that is information that is likely to give us a breakout in the next coming hours. On the 1 hour chart, you can see that we have these bull flag information, where you can now see that the price is trading within this channel, and in the next coming hours there are high chances that you are going to see a breakout to the upper side. And the moment that plays out, we also need to see a break above resistance above the 0.02497, and the moment we manage to break above resistance, then we can get the minimum target areas for the breakout by getting the pole of the flag and placing it above that key area of the breakout in a move that can easily give us a break to the 0.027 in the next coming hours. So that is a move that we need to have our eyes on. We also need to have in mind that we can also get a sudden pullback, and if that is the case, then I will be watching for Vechain to continue holding within this price channel over here. So in case of another pullback, we need to continue holding within the channel, where we can easily see another bounce back and finally get our breakout to the upper side. But if by any chance we break to the lower side of this channel over here, then that will be suggesting a bit of a bearish scenario that needs to continue holding above support above the 0.0281, and as long as that continues to hold, there's still a chance that we can get another bounce back. And on the worst case scenario, in case we break to the lower side losing support on the 0.02081, then I will be expecting a reset of the lows that we made on the 6th of September. So that is the worst case scenario, and that is all I'm expecting to play out here on the Vechain chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.